This is the first tutorial in how to create online quizzes using Moodle. To begin with, you will want to go to your settings block. My blocks are docked over in the left-hand side. You may find yours in your course room over to the right-hand side. When you find settings, you will go down to where it says Question Bank and click on the little arrow, and it will open up with 4 options: questions, categories, import, and export. For this tutorial, click on categories. A screen will appear that says Edit Categories. Every course has one parent category. It's called the default. And my course room is called Moodle Demo, so my parent category is default for Moodle Demo. Now, when you create quizzes, you want a category for every quiz that you give. So if you give quizzes based upon chapters, you may want to name your categories Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. You may want to name your quizzes based upon the topics: Revolutionary War quiz, Civil War quiz, and so forth. Regardless, do create a category for every quiz that you give your students. For simplicity, I'm going to call my first category Chapter 1. If you want, you can list some information about that category, and that's optional. Once you are finished, you will click Add Category. Notice now up at the top it says Chapter 1 and there is a 0 in parentheses. That means there are 0 questions for the Chapter 1 quiz category. You can create all of your categories at once, or you can create them as you create each quiz. Just remember to create categories for each individual quiz that you give your students, because the quiz questions will be associated with that category. You do not want all of your quiz questions for the entire school year listed under default or any one particular quiz category. In the next session, we'll start creating questions.